Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video showing you guys how I get the set increases out of my Longchamp Le Pliage canvas tote bags. I recently picked up this beautiful size large Le Pliage tote bag in the color black. I also picked up this gorgeous cognac color in the green line. Both are gorgeous, but I will say type A personality are not fans of these really set increases. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I get rid of them. This is what I do with every new Longchamp Le Pliage tote bag, no matter what size I pick up. So I just have this Imagine Eye Steam I picked up from Amazon. I want to say it was about $12 or $15. You just turn it on. And you really go for those set-in creases. Now, I do try to keep it away from the leather. You don't want to do this with any bag except for a nylon bag. You don't want to ruin it. And I have done this many, many times. Like I said, my personality is not okay with set-in creases. So this just really does the job for me. And then I'm just going to turn it around and I'm going to go in again on the creases. I personally love a crisp looking bag, and that is 100% what this steamer does for me. It really is inexpensive, really doesn't take a lot of time to get those creases out. I would say probably time-consuming part of this is just letting it dry. I normally will let it dry overnight just to make sure it's nice and dry before I put my organizer in here and start putting all my items in. All right, let's just turn it around again. I'm going to go for those creases again. It is such a beautiful bag. I'm so excited to get it in the black. I have been wanting this for a long time. If you watch my other videos, I have mentioned wanting the black one in the size large. I just feel like size large is a great size at this point in life for me right now. I'm very much a mom bag carrier. I just feel like these are so chic and elegant, but I also feel like they do all the things. So now I'm just going to hang it up to dry. I'm just going to hang it back here to dry. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one now. This is the cognac color. You can probably see the creases a little better with this one because it isn't quite as dark. This is in the green line. I feel like Longchamp tote bags are just so affordable. $155, and I don't know, I feel like the price point is so good. It's so easy to kind of want to collect the colors. I now have 3 of these bags in the size large, and I just feel like this cognac color as well as the black are just, I mean, absolute must-haves. I just feel like I will get so much use out of these colors. And of course, I do love the terracotta color I have. I'll be using that a lot in the spring and summertime. So again, this is just what I do every time I get a new Longchamp Le Pliage nylon tote bag. Now, of course, I'm sure you know this. Do not do this to any other type of bag. Don't do it to a coated canvas bag. You'll melt it. Definitely not going to be a good idea for your cure bag. Those set-in creases will just have to fall out over time. But I'm just telling you what I do for my bag. I have never ruined a bag by doing this. I feel like the steamer is definitely gentle. To tell you the truth, I know a lot of people throw their bags in the wash machine on a gentle cycle. I have thrown the terracotta bag in there once. That did also help with the wrinkles, so you do you. But this works really well for me to get those set-in creases out. And like I said, The most time consuming part of this really is just letting it dry so I can go ahead and put my stuff in it. But see how it just kind of took that crease on the bottom right out? So nice, so pretty. And then you'll see here, it took those kind of hard line creases out of the back of this. And then once it dries and you put your organizer in, it just looks so clean and crisp. I love it so much. I'm so excited. So you do have to go over it a few times, and it just depends how stubborn that crease is as to how much you're going to want to go over it. Of course, be careful. The steam is hot. You can definitely burn yourself if you're not careful. Now, some people just unfold this and go. You do you. And that basically is what I did. Grab the black one so I can show you just how much better this looks. I probably could steam it a little bit more, but it looks really, really good actually. And I think once it dries, it's going to be even better. And I feel like you can probably see a little bit better with this colorway, just how those creases do come out. You can spend more time with it to even get them out even more. I probably would do that. For the sake of this video, I don't want to take up all your time. I know you have better things to do than watch me steam the heck out of a bag, but it is very safe. So let me just show you. This is once my bag is completely steamed and I put my organizer in it. And like I said, those deep set creases come right out when you steam it. I've never had any issues damaging the nylon or causing any issues with the coloration of the bag. It stays looking crisp and clean and beautiful. And I am just such a fan of this little ice steamer I picked up on Amazon. Again, I want to say it cost me between $12 and $15. So super affordable. And to tell you the truth, I'm pretty sure the only thing I use that steamer for are my Longchamp bags or any other nylon tote bags that I own in my closet. Occasionally, they just need a little refresh. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please go ahead and like this video. And it would help me out so much if you guys would subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.